Juliana, that was so big. Allah. Juliana, that was big. Oh, wow. Hindi, nakahanap mo na naman ng pupunta ni... Ang galing. Kasi nga dun nga, oh. Oh, wow. Ewan ko dyan. Let me see. Oh, good job. Hindi nahanap ko. Nakita na niya. Oh, that dingy, the blue one on the thingy, Juliana. Saan? Ah, nakita niya. Hindi. Oh, the blue one. There you go. Nice. No, put this one in. She's gonna eat now. Oo. Juliana, you're stepping something behind you. May elevator pa, uy. Elevator. Oh, ala, nasira ko na. Honey, how you do the elevator? Can you do? I just put it up. Ah, okay. Juliana, Daddy has to fix the elevator. Oh, okay, okay. Hindi ba baliktad? I think you have to do this one, Dad. See? Okay, there you go. Yeah, okay. Siya po. All good, Dad. Add all your stuff now, Juliana. No, just here for a while until... Where's the... Oh, siya na mag-busy na siya dyan. Okay, you fix it now. Ate don't need to eat now. What did you say, anak? Thank you. Thanks to God. How about grandma? Okay, now you can play. Oh, can they do the slide? Do you think the slide can work? Can you do the slide? Okay. But doon ka sa likod. Oh, Jilana, go there at the back so I can see it coming down. Okay, go. Okay, one more. I didn't see it. Again. Okay, again. Okay, again. Oh, where do you put the plant ni yung mga plant? Dito ata mother sa tuktok mga ganyan ni. Where you put those plant?